While riding through a familiar curve, this rider hit something completely unexpected, a plank of wood lying across his lane. Already committed to the turn, there wasn't much he could do to avoid the crash.
I'm good.
Good?
Sorry, I can't hear you. I'm good. There was planks right there. I lost traction.
Oh, damn, dude. That's crazy.
That's my fault. I was trying to knee.
You're taking that turn. Like,
yeah.
I was like, oh, man, he's going fast.
Yeah, I do the same shit every time, but there's planks right there.
Damn.
Oh, my hoodie. Oh, well.
You alright, though? You
Yeah.
cut or nothing?
I got pants.
You help you get on the bike?
I don't know. I know it. Oh, my rim's bent. Yeah, I'm good.
I saw when you passed about going 100 miles an hour that something like this might happen.
Yeah, it was the plank. I usually do this. Yeah, that's my fault.
Luckily, a few witnesses stopped to check on the biker to ensure he's all right, and one of them also offers some of their own inputs as to why they thought he crashed.
I don't think that thing is driving, buddy.
Oh, yeah, no, yeah, this thing's.
So it's not even 1,000.
After getting pulled over for a suspected wheelie, this cop doesn't hold back, giving the rider a hard time and even roasting his bike. Just listen to this.
You're telling me you didn't hit the gas and then go on one wheel?
I mean, it's a powerful bike. I mean, I wasn't.
I'm a guy that rides bikes.
What's up?
I ride bikes.
Yeah,
I know how that thing rides.
Yeah.
It doesn't just pop on its own. So you have to actually pop the clutch and hit the gas.
I mean, this is a really powerful bike. It does
You
it.
got one cop that actually knows how to ride that.
I mean, this is a bike that power wheelies quite a bit.
What is it, a 600?
636, yeah.
Yeah, 600, so it's not even 1,000.
What does that mean?
What that mean is it's a lot easier to pop that.
No, I'm a mechanic. I know what that means, but I know the difference between a 600 and a 1,000.
Talking about. So here's the deal. What you did is reckless driving. You understand that?
Okay. It's a powerful bike.
Fair enough. Don't bullshit. Fair enough.
You want to ride it? It's fun. I can show you some cool stuff.
I'd ride much better than you.
All right.
Get out of here.
While still learning to ride, this biker tries to turn around on an incline and quickly finds out why balance and throttle control are so important.
Oh,
Our next rider here hits a small oil patch in the road up ahead, which causes his bike to wash completely out from under him. Take a look.
fuck. Yeah, I'm okay. I just slipped out. Thank you. What's that? No, I got one. I'm good. Okay. Yep. Thank you.
Again, thankfully some other drivers stopped to check on him. Unfortunately for the rider, his front brake lever is fully snapped off the bike, which likely isn't the only issue. Here's a textbook example of what not to do when mowing or handling yard work near the street. This rider is having quite the unlucky day. While trying to overtake a transport truck in traffic, this rider gets a nasty surprise. The driver suddenly pops the door open. Was it intentional or just bad timing? getting cut off here by a car merging back into traffic, this rider catches up to the driver at the next light, and he's got a few choice words ready.
You're not invited to my birthday party, bro. What? You pulled out on me. You're not invited to my birthday party, man. Yeah, it was gonna be sick, brother. You're not invited now. Sorry.